Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back out here today. It's a bit chilly today, but there's no wind at the moment, which is great because that means we can keep working on the roof. And because yesterday afternoon, the wind really picked up, and so we were really only able to work on soffit and fascia stuff. So we got it all prepped, finishing up some soffit stuff on the middle section on the back side over here, and then we can start putting on panels, and that'll make things feel like they're moving a lot faster. So there's all three of us, my dad, my husband, and I working today. So we're gonna make some good progress today with 3 sets of hands. So that's great news. Hopefully get a good portion of the back side of the roof done today, and get closer and closer to having the main roof all done with the metal. So that'll be exciting news. So we'll head on up there and start working on the roof. Okay, so we are working on more of the soffit and fascia right now. Right here we're on the corner of the house, and we were working, and this is a good rule to remember to wear safety glasses anytime someone's cutting something. Thankfully I had my beanie on because I got hit with a chunk of wood right here and have a nice knot and was bleeding, and it hit here and then hit the tip of my nose, and I was bleeding here, and it was not the funnest experience, but we survived it, and thankfully my eyes are fine. But that's why you wear safety glasses anytime you're cutting something. Good safety rule right there. So we're working on putting on some of the fascia so that I can continue working on the soffit under here, and then my dad and husband are going to work on the valley that's right here. They've got the other one in, and then we're going to work on this valley, and then we'll be pretty much ready to just take panels and go, and that'll move a lot faster. So this is kind of the tedious stuff that we're working on right now, but stuff you have to do and get in place before you can get your panels on. So that's what we're working on right now. work done today. It doesn't always feel like much when we don't get panels on, but we did a lot of the prep work that goes in so that we can put on panels. So we basically did from, if you look up this way, all the way from that cantilevered section, gable over there, we did all the fascia and soffit all the way across the middle section, up and across the other cantilever, and we did all across this end section here. So this whole side of the house is done with soffit and fascia. So now that we've got that in, we can tomorrow, over the next few days, weather permitting, as long as we don't have too much wind, get all the panels. So since we've got the valleys in as well up there on those dormers that go back, we've got those valleys in and prepped. All we have to do tomorrow and over the next few days is put in the large metal panels. So that'll feel like we cover a lot of ground really fast over those. So what we also did right here before we ended, up here, we finished our very last window. So that last window is finally in. We have all our windows in and we are almost dried in. So we have a few corners that we still need to tape around the house, and a couple spots we have to fix as far as the tape. And then we have our front door and our second set of patio doors to get in, and then we will have all our doors done as well. So we're super close to being totally dried in, and we're close to having the roof done, at least the main roof. So it's been a lot of good progress this weekend. We still have a ways to go, but soon we will be very thankful to be working inside in the warmth. So thanks for watching today, guys. And don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.